the 2,000-year-old earthquake detector. Believe it or not, over 1,800 years before modern science, the Chinese had an earthquake detector, and it actually worked. In 132 AD, Zhang Heng created this beast, a bronze seismograph. When an earthquake struck, a dragon's mouth would drop a ball into the toad's mouth below, showing the direction of the quake. Even if it happened hundreds of miles away. No electricity, no sensors, just pure ancient genius. And guess what? It worked. Scientists confirmed it. Ancient tech was wild.